Hello everyone, welcome back to Chein channel, and today I'm gonna show you how I crocheted this corset. We will crochet vertically like that. Firstly, we will create a slip knot. And chain until we made 5 inches. I crocheted extra 0.5 inches. I'm gonna use half double crochet for this project. I'm supposed to skip 2 chain right here, and if you are watching this part, please make sure you skip 2 chain. Crochet half double crochet stitches along this row. Last 2 chain and continue crocheting into the next row. At the third row, we will crochet only into the back loop of the stitches to create texture or pattern, whatever you call it. Ta-da! Here is the pattern, and to create this kind of pattern on the corset, I'll be crocheting only into the back loops every third rows. This is the 6th row, so I will crochet only into the back loop. This is the outcome of crocheting every third rows. 3rd, 6th, 9th, 12th, 15th, and at the end of 16th row, we are gonna increase. Crochet as usual for the 17th row. At the end of 18th row, we're gonna increase one more time. And to crochet the strap, you can chain as much as you want. In my case, I crocheted about 20 inches. Make sure to note down the number of stitches so that the straps are equal. Crochet half double crochet stitches along the line. Since this is the 21st row, I'll be crocheting only into the back loops. I think 3 rows is enough for the strap, so I will decrease and continue crocheting the corset. Since I increased 2 times on the other side of the strap, I will decrease another time on this side. And continue crocheting according to the pattern for the back side. Okay, so I got my desired length. So we will repeat the same process of creating the strap on the other side. Increase the last stitch. At the return of this side, we will increase another time. And crochet the same number of stitches as the other strap. Decrease the last stitch. Decrease one more time. And crochet according to the pattern till we meet the desired length. Unfortunately, my navy yarn ran out and I will have to continue with the black yarn. Okay, now we are gonna create loops to attach the string. Chain 1, 2, 3, and then skip one stitch and slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, skip one stitch and slip stitch. Continue crocheting in this pattern along the row. along the other side. And our corset is ready. I will use 2 threads to crochet the string. Keep crocheting chains until we get 40 or 45 inches. Let's attach the 2 sides with the string. Sew the strap. You can use any method to sew this part, but I will use slip stitch. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye!